Kuya Barz, ano nangyari kanina sa grocery?
Ayun, tangin na, feeling nila siguro may ninanakaw ako ron. But these niggas don't know that I can pay for their shit. You know what I'm saying? They think just because I got a chicken in my basket and some other chicken parts, these niggas gonna steal it. But they don't know I'm just trying to make a fucking video on how to make some fucking chicken nuggets, boy. Shit, nigga, come on, let's go. I'm gonna show you how to make that good ass home goodness chicken nuggets, man. Some easy shit, bruh. Instead of you know, buying some chicken nuggets at McDonald's, let's just make some chicken nuggets, alright? So this, what I got out here, you know, is some chicken breast, you know, without no bone, without nothing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut these breasts up, man, and create like small pieces of it, chicken nugget size, you know what I'm saying, bro? Good. Let's move it out here. Little nuggets of chicken. I bet they gonna see chicken nugget as gold out there in McDonald's. I think I know right now why they call this chicken nugget. Cause you know a nugget is some gold, like little stuff like that. And in McDonald's, you know chicken nuggets are hella expensive, right? But you don't know that chicken nuggets is hella easy to make, man, for real. Now McDonald's chicken nuggets is some fake ass shit. Because what they use is some other chicken parts out there. They gonna grind it up and end up looking like a, you know, some big ass or, you know, a chicken nugget. Because McDonald's treat chicken nuggets, it's like gold, bruh. Because chicken nuggets is so easy to make, it's so cheap. But out there in McDonald's, it's so fucking expensive, boy. That's not how to treat your fucking customers, cheating them like that. Now, stop buying chicken nuggets at McDonald's and start cooking chicken nuggets at your house, boy. So what we have here is some panko and some flour. You know, we got this granulated garlic out here, some black pepper and some salt. We got 1/4 cup of water and 3 pieces of egg. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna mash this egg right here. You know, so the egg is mashed. I'm gonna combine all the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients. All right. See that shit? Then I'm gonna combine the egg. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna combine the water. To make a breading. A good ass chicken nugget butter. Yeah, boy. Now, what you're gonna do is you don't wanna mash it up real good. You want some lumps in it, boy. You want some small lumps in it. Cause without them lumps, your chicken nugget ain't gonna go be good, man. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna throw in the chicken inside of here. Hella easy, right? I told you so, man. Cause McDonald's is just, you know, pulling your strings, dude. They cheating on you, man. They trying to get your money. But if you just do this at home, boy, man, you're gonna be good, nigga. See that stuff? Hella easy, boy. Just one fucking pot. Now, I got my oil down here, you know, ready to go. Hella hot, nigga. Let's try it out. I don't know if I'm gonna meet. Yeah. I'm gonna show you a trick, dude. Don't try this at home, okay? I'm gonna stick my hand out there and it ain't gonna hurt. But it's hot shit though. Hella easy to make. Just pour that all in out there. Nigga. You know, all my niggas out there, y'all niggas should learn how to cook these stuff, man. Cause this is essential. You know, this is very essential for your lifestyle. That's why I love cooking chicken out here, boy. Even though I be out here in the Philippines, nigga, I love cooking chicken. Don't worry, we're gonna be stirring this up later on so it ain't gonna stick. That's about it. Hella easy. Now we're just gonna, just turn it over, man. Because if you don't turn it over, man, everything's gonna stick like a motherfucker. Alright, now if your oil is not enough, what you're gonna do is put it at high heat, nigga. And put a little bit of oil in it. You know, some more oil in it, boy. Oh shit, man, shit. Well, good thing I almost cast it into high heat. Put a little bit of oil in it. Some Barz style chicken nugget, boy. Easy, you know, very fast. If you're in a hurry, man, if you're a working dude or you're a lazy nigga on the couch, this gonna be hella easy to make, boy. Shit. Just get some flour, some eggs, some water, you know what I'm saying, some salt and pepper, granulated garlic, put it in one pot, nigga, some three pieces of eggs, boy. Mash it up together. You got a fucking chicken nugget. Damn. Solid to, no? Tangin na chicken nugget, pre.
Sarap yan.
Sarap to. Tangin yan, chicken nugget, eh.
Kuya Barz, pwede ba yun sa ano? Tamang Tomas?
Oo. Kahit ano naman pwede sa mga Tomas, eh.
Sa bagay. Ang pinrita yun.
Ito, may mga Tomas. Ay, wala tayo.
Yan, UFC.
Meron tayo dyan. Ayun, o. UFC.
Thank you, UFC.
Thank you, UFC. Thank you. Ngayon, pag medyo kumukulo-kulo na tong oil na to, ang gagawin natin ngayon is hihinaan natin siya sa medium high heat. Alrighty? So medium high heat, man. Kasi hahayaan na natin siya maging golden brown. Alright? Ayaw masarado, no? Yeah, boy. Alright. Man, I need some kitchen equipment in this house, boy. But, you know, I know the feeling. I mean, some of you that are watching this right now knows the feeling of you ain't got no kitchen utensils in your house, right? But sometimes, when you want to cook, you just want to cook. You don't give a fuck what you're gonna use. I mean, use this, use that. Nigga, I ain't got money to use this shit, boy. What the hell you trying to do? Boy, are you gonna buy me that shit? Hell no. Nigga, see, if you got a spoon or a fork or whatever, if you want to cook something, you know, just figure out how you gonna do it. Not tell yourself, oh shit, I don't have this, I don't have that, nigga. Some good ass chicken nugget, man. Homemade, for real. Homemade chicken nugget, man. What the hell you trying to do in your house, trying to order McDonald's all day, every day, boy? Go make some chicken nuggets, man. Hella easy. $3 for all this, nigga. Hell yeah, dude. Here you go, man. Some barbecue sauce, boy. From Kraft. This is the barbecue sauce you can buy at the grocery store whenever. It just basically tastes like the barbecue sauce in McDonald's. So McDonald's, y'all niggas gonna be, you know, crazy, man. You cheating people out here. You billion sold already, man. You a billionaire already, McDonald's. Come on, give something back to the people, especially here in the Philippines, dude. A lot of niggas trying to, you know, starve out here to death. Just gonna taste it out. Man. What the hell you trying to do, man? You're not done yet. Some good ass chicken nugget, man.